Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make grilled fried daing na manok. And here are the ingredients. 5 pounds of chicken drumsticks, 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 head of garlic crushed, 2 teaspoons of cracked black peppercorns, 3 tablespoons of sea salt, and 4 cups of vegetable oil. We're going to make the marinade by combining the vinegar, garlic, black peppercorns, and salt in a large bowl. Now keep mixing until the salt is dissolved. Now you're going to place the chicken in a non-reactive container and add the marinade. Now arrange the chicken so that it's well soaked with the marinade. Now we're going to marinate the chicken in the refrigerator overnight. Now set up a charcoal grill for indirect grilling. Here I'm using the barbecue vortex, which is a steel cone with a small opening on top. It creates a super high heat zone directly above the vortex. What you're going to do is you're going to place the chicken around the vortex away from the direct heat. Now you're going to grill the chicken until the internal temperature hits 180 degrees. At this point, you want to remove the garlic from the marinade and pat dry with paper towels. You're going to discard the marinade. Once the chicken reaches 180 degrees, you can add a nice char by placing the chicken in direct heat for about 30 to 60 seconds per side. Remove the chicken from the grill and let cool in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After an hour, we can get the chicken ready for frying. You're going to add the flour to a large container, then add the chicken. Now seal the container and start shaking it to dredge the chicken in the flour. Heat the vegetable oil in the wok or heavy stock pot to 350 degrees. Take off the excess flour and fry the chicken in batches for 3 minutes or until golden brown. Now you're going to fry the garlic until it's golden brown. So there you have it, my recipe for grill fried daing na manok. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.